Sam, I'm the content writer here at AMR Hair and Beauty.
Hi, and I'm Tak, and I'm the beauty blogger here at AMR, as well as a qualified makeup artist.
So Tako and I have actually been best friends for over 20 years, and for as long as we've known each other, she's always been the more makeup savvy, and she did my face today.
And I did my own.
Yes. And what we do is we write a lot of the product descriptions, reviews, blogs, behind the scenes. So we really wanted to bring forward our products to you today and show you how to make practical use of them. I'm a bit of a novice, so I don't know how to put on false eyelashes. Tako's going to show us how to do that today.
So in today's video, I'll be showing you all how to put on these false eyelashes. So I'll be doing a demonstration on one eye, and Sam's going to give it a go and try it on herself. And then on the other eye, I'm going to show another technique that I personally find very comfortable to wear and long lasting whenever I go out during the night. So off camera, we've already curled our eyelashes and put on mascara. So now I'll just show you how to put on these false eyelashes. And today we're going to be using Modelrock eyelashes. With this first technique, you will take your false eyelash and measure it to your eyelid. Be careful not to measure the lash band all the way to the inner corner of the eye. Once you are happy with the size, you want to cut the end of the eyelash. This usually is the longer side of the false eyelash. Now apply your lash glue to the lash band, particularly putting a little bit more glue on the ends. While the glue is drying to become tacky, you want to bend the lash band into a curve. This way the lash band will mold closely to your actual lash line. Once the glue is tacky, you now want to apply the false eyelash to the center of your eyelid, maneuvering the sides to set it into place by using your tweezers. Using the back end of your tweezers is handy, as this trick allows the lashes to set and stick into place. Allow your false eyelash to dry, and once it's dry, you want to disguise the lash band with another coat of eyeliner. With the second attempt, you would have measured the false eyelash to your eyelid already. I have done this previously off camera. And like before, once you are happy with the size that you are after, you will then cut the end of the eyelash. So now that you have your chosen false eyelash length, cut the lash band into 3 sections. Apply the lash glue onto the lash band, starting with the outer lash band first, as you want to work from the outside in. Wait for the glue to get tacky, and now start applying your false eyelashes onto your lash line. As per usual, using the back end of the tweezers to help set and stick the lash sections into place. Don't be afraid to use your fingers to join your real lashes to your false ones. After your false lashes are dry, apply a coat of eyeliner to your lash line and you're done. Stick that on. And now with the back of your tweezers, you want to push it down so they're not like up, like snuffleupagus kind of style eyelashes.
Okay.
So push it down.
So there?
Yeah. Yep, push it down so it's not sticking up. Yep. You just put it next to each other as close as possible so it doesn't look gappy and weird. So how are you finding it? Is it like more intimidating on the second eye, or was the first eye a bit harder, or is it?
I actually thought that the second eye would be harder
and complicated.
Yeah, but I actually find this application a bit better, just because I feel like I'm a bit more in control of where I'm placing the lash, maybe.
Yeah. I must admit though, in regards to the first eye, which was this side, if you're in a rush and you just need to get out the door, this one is a bit quicker in regards to the strip lash. Just like put the glue on, plonk it on, you're out the door. Whereas with the this eye, it's a bit more controlled, a bit more time consuming, but
Yeah.
the longevity of it is like just way better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How long can I wear this in for?
All night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because
All
I've
night
seen
and
girls
then-
wear in false lashes like till the next day. Is that normal?
From a professional makeup artist point of view, that's pretty gross. Because always take off your makeup at the end of a night,
Right.
because you need your skin to breathe. And yeah, there's just too many nasties when it comes to, you know, going out a whole night with a full face and then coming home and just sleeping with it. It's just, yeah, it's not good for the skin. The skin
Yeah.
needs to breathe.
Yeah. I really preferred the second technique over the first. I feel
Yeah.
like it sits nicely on my eye shape.
Mm-hmm.
Compared to this one, I feel like it's coming off at the ends, and I've always had that problem, which is why I've never been able to do them right.
Yeah. So how does it feel? Like, does it feel lighter or like
Yeah,
heavy?
this side feels lighter just because I think it folds with my eye.
Mm-hmm.
It curves with it. It's a bit more flexible.
Yeah. In regards to like complexity, which one do you think was a bit harder to do?
The second one's a bit more time consuming, but it wasn't actually that hard.
Yeah.
I felt like the first one was a bit harder and trickier to, you know, put in the middle and then blend in on the sides, and I wasn't pressing it in enough, whereas this one, I didn't have to apply that kind of pressure onto my eye. It just sat
Yeah.
where I wanted it to sit.
Mm-hmm. So there you have it, guys. Tutorial on how to put on false eyelashes in 2 different ways. Let us know in the comments below what you think of this video, and if you have any other videos you want us to try and do, just let us know.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye.